friends, I'm Preeti here. I am a spiritual consultant and a mother of twins who are 7 years old, Myra and Manar. I never really was interested in cooking until my kids started growing up and they enjoy homemade food and they always wanted me to cook something for them. So it started with trying different cuisines, Chinese, Italian, and of course I'm basically a Konkani, a GSB, and married to a Siddhi, so the traditional recipes. So here in this channel of mine, I'm going to try and show you simple recipes which me as a non cooking person who's been now regularly cooking, trying to make things simple for you. I hope you like my channel. Please subscribe for it. And today what I'm going to show you is pav bhaji. I'm sure most of you are aware, but let me just show you the way I make it. And I hope you like this recipe. And if you do, please like it on the channel and continue to watch my channel. Thank you. Let's start. Okay. So what we have used here is, let me just show it to you. Okay, I have boiled and mashed these vegetables and kept. This is about 150 grams of cauliflower, 2 capsicums, green capsicums, 1 carrot, 2 potatoes, and a small bowl of or handful of green peas. I have put salt and boiled it in the cooker and then mashed it and kept it ready. These are 2 onions which have been chopped and kept ready. This is about 6 tomatoes which have been chopped and kept ready. Now this is a special paste which I used in my pav bhaji, and this is a paste made out of Kashmiri dry red chilies. So I've taken about 6 dry red chilies of Kashmiri red chilies, soaked it in water for about half an hour, and then about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic I have used, and we grind these two together and make this thick paste. Okay, now let's begin making the pav bhaji. So I've put some oil in the pan and I'm putting 1 teaspoon of butter. Allow this to heat up, and we're going to be adding the onions first. So we're going to add the onions first. Myra, can you pass me the onions? This is my daughter Myra. Myra, hi. She loves to help Mama in the kitchen. No, Myra, don't put your hand in it. We'll just pour the whole thing in it, okay? Yeah. Can you hold the camera? We'll show them, okay, how to do it. Show it over here. It's my children who wanted me to start with this food channel because I keep trying out new recipes for them and they enjoy having them. So they really were after me to start putting it up, and that's how I started. So I'm no fancy cook or anything, but yeah, a simple home maker, a mother who keeps trying new things for the children. And I'm sure there are a lot of you out there who could relate to me. The onions have nicely cooked, turned light brown, and now it's time to add the tomatoes. The tomatoes are now half cooked. At this point, I'm going to add this Kashmiri red chili and garlic paste which I've made and kept, about half teaspoon. You can add some more if you wish to. Stir it well. We're going to allow this to cook now. I'm now going to add some pav bhaji masala, which you get in the market, and going to add some red chili powder and some coriander powder, about half a teaspoon. So let me just show you. Half a teaspoon of the coriander powder, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the pav bhaji masala, and half a teaspoon of the chili powder. Mix it well. I put a small bowl of water, like this much water, and I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to cover and keep this so that it cooks really well with the masalas. The tomatoes are nicely cooked, the masalas have got nicely cooked. So now we are going to add the mashed vegetables. You can add some water to it. The pav bhaji is almost done, ready. Just add some coriander. Add half of the chopped coriander just now, and the balance for garnishing. I'm going to add some lime juice. You can add amchur powder if you want, but I prefer using the lime juice. It's smelling awesome. Once for some more time, I'm going to cover and keep. Add some little bit of water depending on how much consistency you want. I'm going to use a masher to mash it a little bit more. And our pav bhaji is all done and ready to be served with nice hot butter pavs. Garnish it with the coriander. Hope you like the recipe. Do like it and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.